Look at him.
You ready?
Get the fish.
Isaiah,
He crushed them.
how old are you?
2.
2. What are you playing? Baseball?
Alright. Come on, Isaiah.
Here we go.
Get in your stance. There we go. Ready? Ooh, good
Next
swing.
one.
Brandon, stay back there. Ready? Here you go. Ooh, good swing. There you go. Almost. Good swing. Hold on, stay there. Ready?
Back up, honey.
Oh, good hit. Ready? Almost.
Double. No.
Go fix your stance.
Oh.
Get your stance. There you go. Oh, no. Turn the other way. There you go. Ready? Put your hands together.
Coach.
Ready?
Here.
Here. Ready? Grind the ball. Ooh, almost.
Double.
Ready? Grind the ball. Almost. No. Swing level. No, that's too high. That's too high. Okay, ready? You grind the ball. Almost. Good swing. Alright, Papa.
Yeah, sit right here. Be still.
Ready?
I'm cold.
Here it comes.
Get in that face.
Oh, swing faster. Swing faster. Hold him. Oh, good hit.
That was a
Are
heavy
you
ball.
ready? Swing faster. Almost.
Daddy. He's gonna crush this. Hit it home. Okay.
Ready?
Dad.
Here it comes.
Daddy here.
Oh, good hit.
Hi.
Thank you. All right, ready? Almost. Ready? Oh, that was too high. That was too high, Dad. All right, ready? Here it comes. Keep your eye on the ball.
Did you hit?
Almost.
You could do it, Isaiah.
Here you go.
You could do
Here
it,
it goes.
Isaiah.
Hey, keep your eye on the ball. Oh!